Hello again, folks. I thought I'd do my first ever Lotto Log Tuesday while it's still Tuesday. I'm going to pick this Brady lockout tag out lock. So here's a bit on the key. There we are. There's your keyway. There's the lock all working. So I'm going to use this Chris Capoon style tension wrench in the top, and this Sparrow's SS Dev medium hook, and get the pick in. So yeah, I've never really done them before, so I just thought I'd do my first. And the main reason for this was I was chatting to Pocket Woman and found out she lost her cat a while ago, passed away, and she's really having a hard time adjusting to it. Oh, there you go, look. So this is dedicated to Pocket Woman. Pick a lock for Pocket Woman, because it's never good when we all lose a family member, like and one of our pets. You know, we have them with us for years and grow attached to them. So this is for you, PW. It never gets, well, it's never easy, is it? It does take a while to heal. So yeah, my thoughts are with you, and also to Brett as well. I've just found out recently he's just buried his 20-year-old pussycat, Skunk. So to you, Brett, as well, mate. Condolences to both of you, really. So that's it, really. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and yeah, all the best to all of you. That's it for now. Okay. Thanks for joining me. Anyway, take care, all of you. Till next time. Bye-bye.